In today's video, I'm cooking this is a very quick, so there's nothing fancy about this dish. No spices is coming up with meals. So while that is frying, I'm going to cut my onions. You guys, I'm out of In today's video, I'm cooking. This is a very quick and easy meal. It's also basic because I'm not adding anything fancy to it. So there's nothing fancy about this dish, no spices. It's just sadza and beef stew, maybe with cabbage on the side. So my beef is already boiled and I'm starting frying it. So while that is frying, I'm going to cut my onions and my tomatoes. You guys, I'm out of onions. I hope that will be enough. But look. This is little, I think. Because I can't go outside and buy now. When we buy these things, it's back. So I'll just plate with this. I think that will be enough. Makumbo. Wacha sema makumbo. Como roda? Wacha sema. Achei. Achei banana. So the most difficult thing for me right now as a mother is coming up with meals every single day. Like I can stay at the fridge for like some minutes and still have no new idea for that day. So I'm thinking of coming up with a new plan, maybe a weekly calendar to say this day we are going to eat this and this, and then we stick to that maybe for the whole month or maybe for the whole months to come. I'm yet to decide on that because guys, choosing a meal like every day, I end up finding myself repeating meals. Like if it's sadza today, then rice tomorrow, and then spaghetti maybe, and then rotate the 3. But now I'm learning. Now I want to learn like new news, like new recipes. I'll definitely go. I'll search here on YouTube like news, depending on the ingredients I have in the kitchen already. But I'm planning on adding like a variety of things in my kitchen, so that we will not get tired of eating like the same meals every day. Yeah, I'm going to do that. I'm now cooking sadza and rakutokwata. So yeah, let's just continue like this. Magetsa aenda, so light a bit dim, but I will just continue like this.